Hi, I'm Sherilyn Hoffman with eXp Realty. Today I'm in Babcock Ranch checking out their newest community called Terrawalk, built by Divosta. Terrawalk has very many selections to choose from villas, smaller single family to larger single family. They're also going to have a great amenity plaza and clubhouse and an 8-acre lake. Today I'm going to check out the Ellenwood. It is a 2-bedroom plus den villa with a 2-car garage. It is 1,579 square feet. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment to see more videos in Babcock Ranch. And reach me at 931-436-3552 to get all of the prices, floor plans, and to get pictures and more information about the amenity campus. Come on in, let's tour the Ellenwood. Be sure to check out my Facebook group called Inside Babcock Ranch, where I post tours of model homes, builder incentives, and resale homes, and other information about the community. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe.